Using Trello effectively involves optimizing its features for task management, collaboration, and project organization. Here's how to make the most of Trello. Organize boards and lists. Create separate boards for different projects or teams and use lists to represent workflow stages such as to-do, in progress, review, and done. Utilize cards. Each task or action item should be represented by a card. Add detailed descriptions, checklists, due dates, and attachments to cards to provide context and facilitate completion. Assign tasks and due dates. Assign tasks to team members by adding them as members to cards. Set due dates to ensure accountability and prioritize work. Customize with labels and categories. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, or project phase. This helps in quickly identifying and filtering tasks. Collaborate with comments and mentions. Encourage team collaboration by using comments to discuss tasks directly on cards. Mention team members to notify them of relevant updates or requests. Visualize progress with card movement. Move cards across lists as tasks progress through different stages of completion. This provides a visual representation of workflow and progress. Integrate with other tools. Take advantage of Trello's integrations with other tools and platforms such as Google Drive, Slack, and Calendar to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Regularly review and update. Conduct regular reviews of boards with your team to assess progress, address bottlenecks, and make necessary adjustments to optimize workflow efficiency.